Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to English Literatures class. Today we are going to solve the book work of Hazrat Umar Farooq. May Allah be pleased with him. So let's start it. Answer the following questions. That question number 1 is, what is the meaning of Al-Farooq? The meaning of Al-Farooq is one who distinguishes between the right and the wrong. Here is our next question. How long was the reign of Hazrat Umar? And its answer is, the reign of Hazrat Umar was 10 years long. Here is our next question. Why did Hazrat Umar beat Said bin Zaid? And its answer is, Hazrat Umar beat Said bin Zaid because he had accepted Islam. Here is our next question. Which two qualities of Hazrat Umar did you like the most and why? And its answer is, we like his bravery and justice because he provided easy and immediate justice to everyone and brought an area of approximately 22 lakh square miles under Islamic rules. Next question is, write a few lines on the life of Hazrat Umar in your own words. And its answer is, Hazrat Umar Farooq was born in 583 AD in Makkah. He was the second Caliph of Islam. Hazrat Muhammad gave him the title of Al-Farooq. He embraced martyrdom on 1st Muharram 24 AD. Here is our next question. Read the given paragraph and write its main idea in your notebook. Underline the topic sentence in it. Here is the paragraph. Hazrat Umar Anhu is one of the best role models for Muslims from different respects. He was second caliph. He was known for his disciplined administration and the conquest that took place during his reign. During his reign, the Islamic empire stretched to Persia, Rome, and Egypt. He brought reforms and worked extensively for the welfare of his subjects. Here is the topic sentence. Hazrat Umar Farooq is the best role model for Muslims. And here is the main idea. Hazrat Umar Farooq is the best role model for Muslims. Being a second caliph, he conquered many areas during his caliphate. He brought reforms and worked for the welfare of his subjects. Make the sentences of your own choosing the given words in short vowels. Tap. The water was dripping from the tap. Bet. Every Saturday she had a bet on the horses. Pin. She pinned up of her ears. Cot. She sat down on the cot. Tub. The girl washed cloth in a tub. And here is the words in long vowels. Tape. I used tape to tie up the pox. Beat. He beat at the door with his hand. Pine. We don't carry a large stock of pine furniture. Coat. I must buy a new winter coat. Tube. I want a large tube of toothpaste. Use the given similes in sentences of your own. The soup is as hot as the sun. Her character is as clear as a mirror. Ahmed is slow like a turtle. The whole plan worked like a dream. Asun is as wise as an owl. In all these sentences, the highlighted words are similes. Read the given literal questions. Question number 1 is, what is the title of Hazrat Umar? Answer, the title of Hazrat Umar was Al-Farooq. What system did Hazrat Umar establish in his reign? He established efficient system of administration. And our last question is, what was the name of Hazrat Umar's father? And its answer is, the name of Hazrat Umar's father was Khattab ibn Nawfal. And our diary is, learn all the questions by heart. Thank you.